ஒரே நிமிஷம். இன்னும் நோ
சார் எல்லாரையும் அட்மிட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன்
சார். அட்மிட் ஆல் கொடுங்க சார். ஸ்ரீராமுலு என்னாச்சு உங்க சைட்ல?
புரியல.
இது உங்க ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேரிங்கா?
என்னது
ஓகே மா, ஃபுல் ஸ்கிரீன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஜ்.
ஓகே
ஓகேவா?
கிளாரிட்டி உள்ள. ஓகே ஃபைன். ஓகே குட்.
எல்லாரும் உள்ள வராங்க.
அது யாரு? ஹூஸ் தட் ஸ்ரீனிவாச ராகவன்?
நம்ம ஸ்ரீனிசா தான்.
அத முதல்ல சொல்ல வேண்டியதானங்க. அது
அதான் சொன்னேனே ஸ்ரீனி சார் வந்திருக்காருன்னு.
I think it's connecting. How many participants are there? நிறைய பேர் ஜாலியா படுத்துட்டே வராங்க. நம்ம தான் ப்ரொஃபஷனலா உட்கார வேண்டியதா இருக்கு. பட் நோ இஷ்யூஸ். Interested people can come. Sir, am I audible? உங்களுக்கு கேக்குதா? My voice is audible for you. உங்களுக்கு கேக்குதா?
கேக்குது.
ஓகே, முதல்ல ஆடியன்ஸ் செக் பண்ணிக்கங்க. Good morning all.
Applied. Okay.
எவ்வளவு பேர் வந்திருக்காங்க?
27 பேர் வந்திருக்காங்க ஜி.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் குரூப் ஷேர் பண்ணிடலாம். 50க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணிடலாமா? 50க்கு
பண்ணுங்க.
50க்கு பண்ணிடுறேன்.
பண்ணிடுங்க.
So 50 and 51 today's session is about.
Yes.
Let me know once it reach 100. Good morning all. ஒருத்தவங்க ப்ளீஸ் ஹெல்ப் யா. How many participants are there?
30 cross ஆயிடுச்சு.
Okay.
ஆனந்த், நேத்து நடந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செஷன் வந்து குரூப்ல ஷேர் பண்ணிடுங்க அந்த யூடியூப் லிங்க்.
ஆமா, அது
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் வந்து உங்களையும் ஹீரோஸ்லயும் அட்மிட் போடுறேன். யார் வாய்ஸ் அது?
ஒரு நிமிஷம் மியூட் ஆல் கொடுத்துறேன்.
சிவபாரதி. Give me 2 minutes, I'll be back. Good morning all. Yes, good morning all. சார் என்னோட இது மட்டும் பெர்மனன்ட்டா அன்மியூட்ல இருக்கட்டும். நானே மியூட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன், நானே அன்மியூட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
அன்மியூட் தான் வச்சிருக்கேன் உங்களுக்கு.
ஓகே சார். ஸ்ரீராம்லுக்கும் அதே மாதிரியே பண்ணிடுங்க.
ஸ்ரீராமுக்கும் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்.
ஹலோ.
எஸ் சொல்லுங்க ஸ்ரீராம்லு. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Virendra Khurana, Associate Professor from Vice College of Hartak. ஸ்ரீ
சொல்லுங்க.
அங்க பாருங்களேன், அந்த வீரேந்திர குரானா. ஸ்ரீ உங்கள்ட்ட இருந்து எக்கோ வருது.
ஓகே, நான் ஹெட்செட் போட்டுக்கிறேன்.
Okay, Virendra Khurana பாருங்க. Still I'm getting the echo. Sir, how many number of audiences?
54.
Okay, fine. Welcome all guys. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Sir, என்னோடது பெர்மனன்ட்டா அன்மியூட்ல இருக்கட்டும், so that I can able to talk for all the people.
நீங்க மியூட் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா திரும்பி உங்களால வர முடியாது. நான் தான் உங்களை எனேபிள் பண்ணனும்.
Fine. That's what I'm telling.
அதனால மியூட் கொடுக்காதீங்க.
Good morning. I'm just replying, seeing all the text messages. Good morning all. I've just got a message that why are you restricting 100 people? I have attended 1,000 participants. Yeah, Mr. Raghavendra Rao, you're right, but still we are planning to go for a effective meeting. So that's why we are planning to go for 100. See, we can even go with thousands, 2,000, not a big issue, but still we need to restrict the audience to make a proper impact. So that's why we are planning to go for 100 audiences. This too is a paid version for us. So we are paying for Zoom for 100 entries. So we can go even bigger, but still we restrict our audience for a proper reach, to be effective for us, for myself to get on connect with that 100 people effectively. So it's not not like of adding, we can add it up, no problem. Thank you for your text message, Mr. Raghavendra Rao. Thank you, it's been a pleasure. Sir, whenever you are finding, my voice is not audible, just let me know so that I can reset my voice, so that I'm not talking to an empty person. Yes, Aishwarya from Anay College of Arts and Science, Kumbakonam. Yeah, welcome, Aishwarya. It's been a pleasure to meet you. It's been a pleasure to meet you. Yeah, welcome. Dr. Shalini, Assistant Professor, UOR. Good morning and welcome. So, what about the participants? Number count?
82.
Okay. I'll just pick some random participants to have some interactive sessions. So, I say the name of the participant, so you just kindly unmute them. I just want Sangeeta ma'am, ma'am's mic to be unmuted.
Wait. It's
Yeah, I'm seeing her on the window. Yes,
here
Sangeeta ma'am.
two Sangeeta is there.
Yeah, I just want
Just
like pin the video on so that you can have a. Or I'm not able to. I think the one I'm getting in my screen towards my left. Wait, let me check. Yeah, welcome, Dr. K. Agalya, Assistant Professor of English. So we got a lot of staffs as well. It's really great.
G.
Yeah, tell me.
84. Count.
Fine. Morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Ganesan. சார் உங்களோட ஸ்கிரீன் வந்து கம்மியா இருக்கு. அந்த மெயின் பேஜ் வந்து கம்மியா தெரியுது.
கம்மியா தெரியுதா?
Sri, are you getting the clear picture of Thiru's screen, in the window? Yes, good morning. Sir, the screen size.
எப்படி தெரியுது உங்களுக்கு சொல்லுங்க. இத கட் ஆகுதா?
இல்ல wait, we'll find we'll sort it out. Please wait. Wait, I'll select some audience to have some bit of interactive session. I think Saumya from I don't know.
Wait.
Renuka Devi, Keertana. Yes.
G. Saumya Jakambadi.
Sorry?
Saumya. You need to unmute.
No, wait. Let me check. Yesterday, I have seen her, participating in the yesterday's session. So I'm just checking what are all the, how many of the associate, how many of the participants have attended the sessions yesterday, so that I can have some clear understanding about the audience as well. New college, Mr. Mohammed Bilal. I just want Mr. Mohammed Bilal to be unmuted. He's an assistant professor, Department of Business Administration. So he's into business administration, New College, Chennai. I just want Mr. Mohammed Bilal to unmute him.
Unmute.
Good morning, Mr. Bilal. Can you hear me?
Good morning. Very good morning, sir.
I just want your video as well, so that it will be easy for me.
Sir, right now I am with family, so I am not willing to share that video.
Okay, fine. No, not a problem. No, not a problem.
Okay.
It's been a pleasure. Nice meeting you, Bilal. Mr. Bilal, have you just attended the session yesterday, or
Yes. Yesterday I didn't get proper connectivity. I am in some remote area, so I didn't connect yesterday.
Okay, fine. I need a lot of professors and associate people like you to get connected for a better discussions, and that will be interactive as well.
Definitely.
So you're from which group? Like you're from Inspiring Millions 50 or Inspiring Millions 51?
50.
50. Okay, fine,
Yes.
fine. Yeah, it's been a pleasure, and I just want it's a request for all you peoples to maintain a proper decorum in a WhatsApp group chat, or it's a request for you peoples not go for a private chat or to make a lot of mess inside the group.
Very
You
good.
people will be getting the updates in a regular uh, gaps so that you can find and reach up us. Good morning. And okay, Mr. Bilal, you can mute yourself.
Okay,
And if
sir.
I want, I'll just get back to you through unmuting. No,
Okay, thank you.
it's really welcome. It's a pleasure. Thank you. And is there any students? I see a lot of Angeline Julie from a college, engineering college, and I just want you to give a text about your college or the details of your profile. So it will be easy for me to go for the session, so that I can understand the audience well and I can give a proper exact content for them as well.
See, right now 95 participants are fine now.
95.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. It's a good number, right? I just want Mrs. Agalya Perumal to mute her audio and video as well. Since from the first day she's been following the session.
Wait. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. How are you, ma'am?
She having some bandwidth problem. Ma'am, your audio
excuse
is
me,
not
ma'am.
clear.
Your voice is not audible. Can you just please?
Am I not audible?
Yeah, right now. Yeah. Speak up, ma'am. Speak up.
Am I not audible now?
Yeah, right now it is okay, ma'am. Speak up, please.
The matter, yesterday I was attending the session.
Okay.
And it was too good that he was giving out his ideas in a very elaborate manner.
Okay, ma'am.
And the one thing which I found yesterday's session is, even though the questions were asked and we were able to give yes or no something, there are more.
No.
I think her call was dropped. I don't know why. What happened? Hello?
Problem. Gee, she having some network problem.
She is having some network problem. I just want her to, reconnect. Is that possible?
94 is there.
Kindly please add her, or else I'll just try.
Wait.
She's from the group first, I think so, 50.
Yeah, she's in group now.
Is she online now? Yeah, she's online.
Yeah, she's
Yeah, loud and clear.
Yes, very much I'm online.
Yes, ma'am, please hold on for a while.
Okay, fine.
Dr. Thiru, Dr. Thiru, I
Fine.
just want to make
Yesterday
sure
when I
that-
was attending the
Gee,
session,
wait.
Please, ma'am, please hold on for a while. Dr. Thiru, I just want to make sure
Okay.
that all the participants, all the effective participants and the interactive participants to be online. Kindly make sure that they will stay here for some better communication as well as for better result of the session as well.
Yeah, Mrs.
Yeah, ma'am.
Renuga Devi is there.
Yeah, you just check that and make a note that
Okay.
if she is out of the
You
session, I
need
just
to
want
interact.
to add her back.
Gee, you need to interact. Mrs. Renuga.
Yeah, I just want her to interact. Yes.
Yeah, I need to.
Because since she is from the first session, so we can get some more feedbacks about all this stuff.
She can interact with the Mrs. Renuga Devi in Chennai.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Carry on, ma'am. It's on your
Yeah,
turn.
yesterday the session was too good, and Mr. Preetham has given elaborate thing. And the most thing which I liked is the difference between reaction and responding. See, most of us know. I felt really it's too good. It's a new thing for me to recognize and realize. And the session was too good, but in the afternoon session, we all felt it's not the connectivity is not proper, right? So
Yes, we got a lot of internet issues, I think so. So what about right now? Is this audible for you, loud and clear?
yeah, it's very much audible. It's very much audible.
And it's been a pleasure, ma'am. And a kind note, it's a famous quote from Mr. Gaur Gopal Das. A difference between respond and reacting. That is a separate topic. I'll just share you that particular speech from him as well.
Yeah,
Since
yeah.
you got a lot of years into this session yesterday, I'm really, really happy and honored and happy to be a part of this session as well. Since I see a lot of scholars here, I see a lot of doctors, a lot of professors, assistant professors, students. This particular group is really, making me happy to see all your faces and all, through this particular group, we are just sharing all our contents and details as well. It's been a real honor, ma'am. I'll just follow you for your updates, and we'll have some good.
Yeah, sure. I'm also equally happy to join the group, sir. It's much needed topic for present scenario, current scenario.
Fine, ma'am. Fine. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah,
I just
thank
want a quick note of yours. Are you from which background, ma'am? I just want to know your
I am
profile.
from the Department of Physics, Women's Christian College, Chennai.
Okay, you're from WCC.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am. It's been nice talking to you, ma'am. It's been a pleasure.
you too, sir. Thank you.
Ma'am, I just want experts and faculties like you to be a part of the Great Asian Online Summit.
Yeah.
We are planning for that. I think you can have that particular details in our screen flashing up.
Yeah, yesterday you have sent us a few videos, right? 8 of them were talking to us. In the group, you have sent a few faculty to address us. And
Yes, ma'am.
one of them, I think it's the 6th video, the voice is not so clear.
Okay, ma'am, I'll just check.
Can you
I'll
once
just-
check it and resend it? That will be of more use.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'll just check. He's Mr. Nais. You can find him on the last previous row.
Last but one, yeah.
He's Mr. Nais, and we have around 100 plus overseas associates to get interact, and
Yeah.
we are planning for a bigger event as well. So I just want you to be a part of this particular session as well.
Sure.
Yeah, it's been an honor, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
And,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I
Thank you.
see your presence, and throughout the session. It's been a pleasure for us, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I just want Mrs. Sangeeta, ma'am. She's from North India, I think so. She was really interested about our session and all our programs, and I think she's smiling. That particular Sangeeta, ma'am, I'm talking about. I think we have a lot of Sangeetas here. I want that particular ma'am to speak up about her experience, online experience, and about her lockdown experience as well. Because I think so, she's having a lot of data. So she's keep on calling. That's really great. It's an honor, ma'am. I just want Sangeeta, ma'am, to share her experience.
My name is Sangeeta. I am from Patna, Bihar. I am assistant professor in Nalanda Open University. During lockdown, my experience is so extraordinary.
Extraordinary, but I see your husband sneaking up and seeing the sessions as well. I hope he's really happy since you are having this particular session, so he'll be free right now. Seems right.
Tomorrow, all sessions we are not viewed because audio is not clear.
Yes, ma'am. Your
I've
audio is not
already
clear.
I joined the session total. Audio is not clear, but video is clear.
I'll do one thing. I'll just share the entire recorded video to your inbox, so you can
Yes.
have a detailed thing, in your video. I'll just send you the video, and I'll also send you the YouTube link as well. It's been a pleasure, ma'am. Get connected with us. We need a lot of experts and scholars to be a part of this Great Asian Online Summit as well. I just want Dr. Tirumulan and Sriramulu to make a note of these experts and feedback so that we can have a reconnect with them for a better result of audience and understanding. And I just want few more.
Today, all session I joined.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. And I just want a student, Miss Kirtika from I don't know where she's from. If you want to share your experience through voice or video, you can just text me up here in a chat window so that I'll just back to you. So once the session reaches half an hour, we'll plan accordingly. We'll plan we'll unmute all your audios and videos. You guys from your end, follow the procedures and protocols to be, effective. I just want Ms. Kritika to share her experience regarding this online experience, as well as what are all the things needed to be shared from our side. I just want her requirements to be said, in this particular webinar as well. Dr. Thiru, you are not finding him? You are not finding her? Sorry. Sampath Babu. Yeah.
on. Skritiya.
Kindly don't drop a private message here. In this chat. If you want, you can drop a private message to my WhatsApp. So I'll just get back to you. In this Zoom group chat, you can chat. In a group forum. It'll be easy for everyone to understand and follow. Yeah. Thank you, Mrs. Sikala. Yes.
You can interact with Skritiya.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am. You're from.
From SIBT College, Assistant Professor of ISM Department.
Yes, ma'am. You are a part of 50th Inspiring Million or 51?
51, sir.
Okay, fine. It's been a pleasure, ma'am. Thank you. And I just want you to, share your opinion about this online, not this particular seminar or this particular personality development. I'm just talking about overall online webinars. What are all the do's and don'ts? What are all the merits? So it is better for us to go for a clear.
It is so informative, sir. Every online course is so informative, and it is useful. In home itself, we are learning so much of information.
It's really great. I see a lot of young graduates and special people, staying from their hometown, staying from their farm, staying from their houses and wherever they are, and just seeing all their faces. It's been it's been a pleasure to me. Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Thiru. I just want you to select random audiences who's having a better bandwidth. I just want them to connect right now. A better bandwidth from their end. Better audio and video. So you can connect with these people. Yes. Yeah. I'll also explain the purpose of the Great Online Summit, which we are planning. We have a lot of managing directors, CEOs, founders, and entrepreneurs, investors, digital influencers, startups. A group of startups, technology thought leaders, TEDx speakers, business owners, global experts. Everybody, a lot of school principals, college principals, and owners, correspondents as well. So it will be great for us. I'll ask
Mr. Anand, Ramya Kothari is online.
Yeah. Hello, Mrs. Ramya. No, I think she's offline. She's having some error, it seems like. So she's planning to listen. So I just want. Can I just go for the second page for our guest profile for each and everyone to understand? That'll be easy for them. I hope so. I want not this one. Actually, this one is in the WhatsApp group, so they themselves have it. I just want to go for the next slide. It's for about big data.
Okay.
It's about the big data content. So we'll start away from there. Yeah. Good morning, Mrs. Agalya, ma'am. Yeah. Good morning, Mr. Varghese from Nirmala College. I think there is a college. Is there any college? Yeah, you can hold there. Guys, I don't want you people to scribble or share anything, because since it's a common platform, so kindly maintain the decorum, please, as well. You people can see a flash screen, right? If yes, I just want to know. It's yes, right?
Okay.
Thiru sir, is this particular screen is audible and visible for all the audience?
It's visible.
I'm just asking you a few questions about big data. What is big data? I just want few answers. Not in this particular thing which is popped up on the screen. I want different answers about big data. What is big data? Any guesses and any idea about big data? What is big data? Just want you
Your voice audio is not clear. Audio is not clear. Check, please.
Think it. I'll check it. Give me a minute. I'll switch it from my mobile, and I'll be there from my mobile. Okay. Sounds good.
Yes, okay.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, here.
Yes, I think Mrs. Ramya Kotadi, she's online. I just want her
Wait.
suggestions and feedback.
No,
Is there any professors and doctorates can share their experience?
you can discuss with Ramya.
Yeah.
Right.
Hello, ma'am. Or else I just want some volunteers. I don't know where they are. A lot of people will be there in their home.
Okay,
They
wait.
get a lot of distractions as well.
Find some.
I just want to
Dr.
have your comments in the chat box so that
Anand sir.
yeah, large data sets, fine. There was a bit of a nearer answer. Is there any idea? Anything else to say, Mrs. Sneha? Yeah, you are right. And okay, fine. Dr. Thiru sir, please stop me whenever my audio is not clear or not audible, so that I can check my.
Okay, sure.
Fine.
I will tell you.
That is great. So big data. What is big data? See, the screen which you are seeing on your window, there you can find a lot of social media things like digital medium. This is the platform where we share. Like we have Facebook, we have WhatsApp, we have LinkedIn, we have Google, we have YouTube. These are the things which is related to big data. So in this particular lockdown, we are planning to do a lot of sessions through online, and there are a lot of online tutorials as well. Yeah, welcome. Large number of sales of, for example. Yeah, that is right. And I just want anyone that will be interactive from your side. So I see a lot of blank screens. I don't see any lot of videos, so it is not for me to be effective. No, so I just want you people to share your video experience as well as audio as well about big data. Thiru sir, you just please find in the people's in a chat box and kindly unmute them. So from their end, that will be easy for them to interact as well. Yeah, Priyadarshini Jagadishan, assistant professor from KSR. Yeah, KSR College of Arts and Science.
Priyadarshini Jagadishan.
Yeah. They also want to know what are all the topics to be discussed, in the upcoming sessions, so that we can plan accordingly. Since the group is not categorized, we are planning to categorize our group initially. I just want the faculties in the sense, staffs, doctorates, professors, to be in a separate group. I hope you got my point, right? So from there we can start our thing, because there are a lot of students who don't know about what is big data. So if we are going in that particular topic, it will not be easy for them to understand as well. So I only have few text chats popping up, says that what is big data and what is about. So from there we can start. So I just want to segregate first. So sir, I just want to initially, I'll just do one thing. I'll just make you as an admin.
Okay.
And I just want also make Mr. Sriramlu as an admin. I just want our group to be categorized. Students in a group, experts, professors, and faculty members in a separate group. So that sounds good. See, we have a lot of research scholars as well. So we need proper, a group for each and every person and personalities to be discussing. So that will be easy for our speakers and for audiences as well.
Yeah.
So they themselves can get benefited.
Discuss with the Padmini Priyadarshini.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. How are you? Yes, ma'am. Speak up. I'm hearing you. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I am Padmini, assistant professor in NSRIT Vishakhapatnam.
Vaishak.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you. Yes, ma'am. Loud and clear. Yes.
Yeah, your
My voice is not clear.
Wait. She has unmuted now. I need to.
Okay. Dr. Thiru, whenever you find my voice is not audible, just let me know so that I'll just check.
Sure, Ji.
Because I have some good bandwidth, I think so. From my end, no, it's okay, I think. You can connect any interested participants to speak. What is their needs? What are all the areas to be covered? We just need to
Those who are interested.
have their parts of opinions and shares. Yeah, Chandani. No, it's a basic discussion. I'm just getting all your feedback, suggestions, and queries. To understand the area of interest about the audience. So that will be the part of the session today. So I see a lot of batch scheduling problems as well. So in order to clarify that, we are we are having this live session in Zoom. So we are planning to segregate that. So that's why. So kindly, stay with us and bear with us. So you'll be getting an effective session from after all these feedbacks. So that's why we are planning to run this Zoom meeting today to know the area of interest about the audience. Yeah, Padmini. I think she is not able to unmute. Kindly mute her, please. Padmini Priyadarshini.
Yeah.
I hope Mrs. Nadia have explained about what's all today we are about. It's about hardly a 1 hour of discussion.
Please don't try. You have to unmute now. We have only the permission to unmute you, so you don't try.
First of all, everyone, I hope you people understand this particular Zoom application. Yeah. Maybe yes. Thank you, Mr. Chandani. No, you just please wait. First, initially, we'll discuss about the audience area of interest and then we start about the content. You stop sharing the content. I just want this to be...
Okay. Fine.
You just close it. Close it completely. Definitely take around 10 to 15 minutes for settling up down. Please wait. It's Nadia, guest lecturer from Chennai. Yes, welcome. Yeah, now it's clear for me. It's visible. Yeah, I just want Padmini Priyadarshini. I think she's ready with her audio and video setup, it seems. I just want her to share her experience.
Just wait. Okay. Ma'am, you
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. You're online.
good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Yesterday's session was great. It was very helpful actually about communicating effectively.
Okay, ma'am.
I think the sessions are taking too long, and actually we are having online classes also with students.
Okay, ma'am. Fine. My apologies, because since there are a lot of entries, we have a cluster of people. Like we have.
Yeah, please go on.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. You just speak up. After that, I'll say my.
Yes,
Okay, guys, I just want all your, yeah. Yeah, Mr. Shubha, I just want Shubha to speak about the content and the requirements about entrepreneurship. I just want Shubha, she is on the right topic. What we are going to do today.
The audio is not clear.
I just want Shubha or
Anand sir.
is Shubha online? Okay. Yeah.
Your audio is not clear.
Okay, fine. I'll do one thing. I'll disconnect my system and I'll just come on my mobile. That'll be easy for you. Okay?
Okay, welcome.
You're getting a lot of disturbances as well. Please wait.
Anand sir.
Yeah. Am I audible now?
Yeah, audible.
Yeah, fine. Let me take my classes. So everybody's online, right? Yeah. Yeah, speak up, please. I just want Padmini ma'am to say her suggestions about what are all the areas to be covered, and so that I can arrange faculties, in that particular stream. And I just want to, I told about a person, right, who's explaining about entrepreneurship. I just want her to speak. That will be a right topic today. Or else you randomly connect anyone who's having good bandwidth. That will be easy. You can see the text, in the screen, Dr. Tiruzar.
Wait.
You can, yeah, take your own time. No, not a problem. I just want Padmini Priyadarshini. Padmini, Mrs. Padmini. Yeah, ma'am. Give me a minute. No, there's been a technical issue in connecting. Give me a minute.
Okay. We can discuss.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, loud and
Yeah.
clear.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. So I personally, as all of us are going through online classes in this Corona pandemic, so we would like to receive any suggestions or how to conduct online classes effectively. So we would like to have sessions about Google Classroom or giving assignments and how to mark them and how to effectively communicate with students online. So I think those topics would be really helpful.
Sure, ma'am. I'll try to find an exact faculty. We have a lot of experts, in that particular streamline as well. I'll just make a note of your suggestions.
Okay.
And then I'll just work on that particular feedback for you people to have a better understanding about this particular online market and how
Yeah.
to be, how to be a part of an effective session, as well as how to, take sessions as well. I hope you are a lecturer. I think so. You're from which college?
Yes, sir. I am an assistant professor in NSRIT College, Visakhapatnam,
You're from
in
Vaishak.
mathematics department.
Okay, fine. That's great. Please do
Yeah.
convey my regards to
So-
your CM. He's doing a lot of
Sir?
great. Please do convey my effective regards to your, your state CM, Chief Minister. He's doing a lot of, lot of great things. We used to watch, from our state. It's really great. It's been a pleasure, ma'am.
Okay.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
And thank you. You can mute yourself.
Okay.
Dr. Thiru, I just want Dr. Balamurugan to say about
Okay.
his. So that I'll just make a note of the requirements as well. Come online, have some discussion. So that's why we have just opened this particular forum
Okay.
today at 11.
Now discuss with the Balamurugan.
Hello. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. I just want you to.
Yes,
speak up, sir, please.
Sir, my small request, how
Yes,
many
yes.
persons will participate in the
So
conference?
you're asking about yes. I'll tell you. I'll explain you. Since it is a paid Zoom application, we have paid $15 for 24 hours. At the maximum of 100 participants. So even we can move for 1,000. It's not a big deal for us, but still 100 would be an effective thing, because everybody is accessing this particular Zoom app through mobile data. If you are from their hometown and if you are from their broadband access as well. So in order to make a proper reach and to understand the requirement of each and every 100 participants, so we are restricting our session to 100. So that's why we are planning and we are doing our. That's why we are in a long run. I hope you got clarified. I think so. So through your questions, so everybody will be getting some real clarity about why 100 and why not 1,000. You got my point, right? Okay then, sir. So that is the reason we are planning for 100 and not going for more than 100.
Small request. So another one request, participant profile will display in our website. Because it is useful to display our institution. I will also participate in the.
Sure. What is your name? You are most welcome, and it's been a pleasure that you are giving a proposal. We are really honored. I just want you to participate, in this bigger event as well. We are going big, really. I just want all your support. You are from which college, actually, sir? You are from which college?
Ranganayaki Varadaraj College of Engineering.
Okay, sir. I'll just make a note. You just drop a personal message to me about your profile and your college. To my WhatsApp number. That's we are in a group, right? So I'm the admin of that particular group. You just WhatsApp your name, college details, department as well. So that'll be great for us to join you personally. It's been a pleasure, sir.
Okay.
I'm really happy that you joined yesterday and today. It's been
Okay.
It's been a pleasure, sir. Thank you. And thank you, sir. You can mute yourself.
Sir, because
yeah.
I only not required because so many people will record it because so many persons holidays working will display it.
Fine. I got your point, sir. Exactly. See, because of this holidays and lockdowns, so everybody.
So many people is working.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sure.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thiru, sir, is there any other? I just want a few more persons so that the one who is having proper internet connection from their end.
Yes.
So they can mute their video and they can talk. So that will be easy for them to have a clear audio from their end as well. We are getting an institution. Oh wait, I'm just checking. Okay, assistant professor, Annamacharya Institute of Technology. Yeah, fine. You just got noted. Thank you, Dr. K. Ramya. And there is a lift. Anyone, any few more, effective proposals for us to fine tune our
Dr. Babik Shah.
Dr. Babit Shah.
Sir, Babik Shah.
Yeah, I'm online. I'm online. We were talking about Dr. Babit Shah, right? Sir, you can connect anyone, who is having a proper bandwidth. So we may not delay and we can quickly complete our requirement session as well.
Dr. G. Aruna.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
connect.
right.
You just address the name and the profile of the person so that I can have a clear understanding about who is going to talk with me. So that will be clear from myself as well as from the audience point of view. That will be clear. I just want a quick I see only 5 to 10, people are both, connected through both audio and video. I see a lot of people are just in with voices. You can see the chat session. So you can consider that particular person's, as an effective persons from their end having their internet access. I just want Charan Teja to unmute his particular.
Okay.
Both audio and video. Okay, fine. Okay, no problem, Mrs. Shubha. We'll try to work a recorded video for you people to have. In a kind note, we'll make your. Yes. Who's online?
Charan Teja is now online.
Balamurugan. I think he has unmuted his call, it seems.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay, no problem, sir. No problem.
Okay.
I have muted.
There is a participant from Galaxy on 5 Pro. I think his audio and video is clear, so we can get some feedbacks and suggestions for the upcoming sessions from him as well. Or else you can see the chat box. You can see the chat box. Who are actively participating in the chat box, you can connect them. That will be great. Mrs. Kayalviri, we have already told that this particular Zoom online is about collecting contents and requirements from the audience point of view, and we'll be delivering that particular content with the experts. Yeah, we'll let you know. We'll let you know the available of the faculty and the speakers availability, and we'll just connect to you in a short term. Yeah. We'll be online for the next 15 minutes. After that we'll be scheduling the sessions for you peoples. Depends upon your requirement and your area of interest. We'll be arranging the sessions. We'll be gathering the speakers from our side to connect with you peoples effectively. So we are planning to separate batches. So I just want all you peoples to add. Dr. Tiruzar,
Yeah.
I just want you to be the admin for the group 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. And yourself and Mr. Sriramlu will be coordinating with you. I just want to categorize, categorize the audience point of view. Like I just want you people to separate the batches. For example, students in a batch, staffs and faculty members, and doctorates, professors in a separate batch. So all peoples are in a in a same batch. So that is quite uneasy for them. And I see a lot of text messages from students as well. I see a lot of friendly chats from two particular candidates in a group. So that is not a good and healthy way to be a part in a group. So that's why we just clarify that particular thing as well after this call. Okay. I will just go online for the next 15 minutes. Hardly 12:25 we'll be closing this particular online suggestions and feedbacks. So if you want, you can drop and come in and speak up. Yeah, I just want Mrs. Vairamani to speak up. Dr. Vairamani, is it possible for me to connect with her? Hello?
Vairamani.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can check with the chat box.
Now you can interact with.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, Dr. Vairamani. Yeah, tell me. Okay, I'll do one thing, guys. I know you just text things in chat box. I'll see that and reply back to back. It's not a big deal. I hope I just understood all your things. Like the session will, all the timings of the session will be scheduled and informed in a particular WhatsApp group which you are into. I just want you peoples to be in a specific group. For example, if you are in group 51, stay there. Don't get connected with 52 and 53 and 54 and 55, because all the contents will be shared, will be of same from group 50 to group 54. Hope you understand. Is there any questions from your end? Just drop in a chat box. I'll reply you peoples. That'll be easy for you and for me as well, so that we can save time and move accordingly. And I just, is there any doctors, professors, I just want you peoples to drop a message to my WhatsApp inbox about your profile. Yeah, I'm in a group 51. Understood. Yeah, fine. It's really great. Thank you. And I just want Mrs. Vairamani, assistant professor, to send your profile details, your college details to the WhatsApp inbox. That'll be easy for us to follow up. Thank you. And I'll just reply on chat. That'll be easy for me. You can text here. Guys, are you online? You can just drop your text in the chat box. Now your profile name on the college details, to the inbox of WhatsApp of mine, to share your ideas and what type of requirements you need from your end. You can share it in this particular Zoom chat. That will be easy for us to understand and work accordingly. Yes, Mrs. Wani. assistant professor in Department of Commerce. I just want you to inbox in WhatsApp. I just want your requirement. What are all the areas to be covered and what are all the topics to be taken? And yeah. About mine, sure. That will be on a different session. I'll share my experience and my 10 plus years of experience in entrepreneurship. Definitely I'll share in a separate session. Thank you. I see only few people are active in the group. I hope you people muted your both on audio and video and just gone. I think so. So that's why I'm into text and seeing you people as well. Yeah, fine. Yeah. What is your name? You just given a blank test says that I'm here. I don't know who you are. You says that I'm here. Yeah, you're listening. Fine. Yeah, Dr. G. Aruna. Fine. I got you. Yes. Yeah, Jiva, you can. Yeah, regarding publishing papers. Yes, fine. See, we have an expert. His name is Srinivasan. He is an expert in publishing papers, and I'll just make him to connect regarding publishing papers. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yeah, incubation center in arts and science. Yeah, Mr. Renuka Devi, I just want you to drop a message in my WhatsApp, so you don't spam me as well. Renuka Devi. Yeah. Okay. Just in few colleges in India and in few arts and science colleges, I'll help you out. I just want you text me, in my inbox regarding your college details. Definitely, we'll work on it in that particular area. What is handstand? Can you define me? I don't know what is handstand workshop. Okay, hands-on experience. Okay, hands-on experience. Fine. Okay, hands-on experience. Fine. Okay. For digital internet, yeah, sure, Miss Aishwarya. You just I'll let you know. We have a lot of part-time jobs and professionals who can work. I'll make them guide and I'll work accordingly. Yeah, Shanta, I just want you to drop a WhatsApp message about your requirements. Definitely, I'll put forth. We work with various colleges in India as well as outside India. We have established a lot of incubation centers in and out. We help a lot of entrepreneurs as well. So definitely, I'll help you out regarding this incubation center and establishments in your college. I just want your college details as well. Drop your college details, name, profile, in my WhatsApp. I'll just help you out. Mrs. Shanta, thank you. Practical sessions. Oh, we have a live session. So we are planning a live session with a company expertise, how they work and how I'll just arrange with some CEOs and with some managing directors. So that will be great for you people. Yeah, thank you, and okay. Yeah, Mr. Shubha, I'll just check the WhatsApp regarding your requirement. Yeah, you can go. Thank you. It's been a pleasure joining you. You can go. You can just go offline. Not a problem. I have just seen your messages. I'll just work on it. Yeah. Fine. I'm just replying, in text. That's why it's easy for me to interact with you people. So that's why I just disabled my video. How forensic science? Okay, interlinked with digital technology. Fine. That's a great topic. That's come with digital digitech. Yeah, we have sessions for that. We'll arrange. Yeah. Okay. JIND, Institute of Engineering and Technology. JIND. Is there any place called JIND? Just want your details. Oh, you are a registrar of that particular college. Yeah, it's been a pleasure, sir. Nice joining you and nice meeting you. I just want your details to be, WhatsApped to my inbox to work regarding your requirements. P. Chitra, Principal, Krishna College of Engineering. Fine, yeah. Thiruvannamalai. Yes, ma'am. P. Chitra. It's been pleasure, ma'am. I'll just make a note of that. I'll work accordingly. P. Chitra from Krishna College of Education. Okay, fine. Okay. I'll just make a note. I'll arrange sessions for you peoples. I just want you to be the part of our the Great Asian Online Summit. Just WhatsApp me about your college profile. Just your position and the details. I'll just work accordingly and I'll just do the needful. I'll provide resource person. Yeah, definitely we'll provide resource persons for the students as well. Yeah, definitely I'll be working on that. Yeah, we have a lot of resource persons. I'll be arranging you peoples. Yeah. Yes, Soumya ma'am. Yeah, sure. In which area you want resource persons? You want me to you just drop a WhatsApp message to the WhatsApp, that particular WhatsApp number. So I'll just follow up and I'll just try to arrange. Okay, I don't care about my video. I'm just seeing all the WhatsApp text here and I'm just replying. Okay, fine. Management and research. Okay, fine. Your topic is noted. I'll just try to arrange management research topics for you people. Yeah. Thank you, Mrs. Soumya. And thank you, Mrs. Vanita. Thank you, Ms. Vani. And then A. Okay, fine. Natia M. Okay, fine. Is there any specific topic? You just mention it. Computing techniques in various disciplines. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Thank you, Ms. Ramya. I see only 5 to 10 people are active, in WhatsApp chat, in this particular Zoom chat. I want more guys. We haven't end up hardly 10 minutes requirements, and send me through what will work up. Mr. Ramakrishnan. Yeah, I'll work on it. Okay, next time I'll try to work on with my audio setup. Sure. For better output and better results. Thank you. How to wire a research article for a session? Fine. Okay. Articles. No. On electronics, any webinar can be conducted. Okay, fine. Related electronics. Okay, Mrs. Shanta, your topic is noted. Dr. Thiru. Are you online, Dr. Thiru?
Yeah, online.
Dr. Thiru, I just want all the chat box messages.
Okay.
I see here, in this Zoom chat to be copied for some future references. Is
Okay,
Mr.
save chat.
Sriramulu online? Is Mr. Sriramulu online?
He's there. Wait.
He's online?
He's there.
Sri, are you online?
Wait. You can ask.
Yes, Mr. Yeah. Sri, I just want all this WhatsApp, this particular Zoom chat to be copied for further references.
Yeah.
Okay.
Will be possible for you?
Yeah, save.
Yes.
Not bad. No problem.
Fine. So I'm just getting a lot of requirements from the participants, so that they'll be effective for their consortiums and groups.
Yeah, sure. We'll make it.
Okay, motivational sessions, fine. For students, yes, Ms. Kirtana. I just want you to send your profile to WhatsApp, your name, your college details, and your topics. What all the topics you people's needed, so we can cover up all that, in a single session for students. So I can arrange faculties for, I can arrange experts, speakers for your topics. It's purely I can arrange for students platform. That will be great. Biometrics, electric and technology, fine, okay. Yeah, Kirtana, yeah, thank you. What's up? Yeah, sure, Miss Shanta. Definitely, I'll just post all the activities and event details and webinars and seminars, in the WhatsApp group. This WhatsApp group is for long term. You people stick on together in this group. Share your experience. And for a kind note, you people just have listen to me, just please. I just want I don't want you people to keep on texting in WhatsApp group. That's annoying for the admin as well as for the participants inside that particular WhatsApp group. It's a kind request. So that's why I'm online and explaining you do's and don'ts. Yeah, thank you. And from Mayiladurai, we have Vairamani. Mrs. Vairamani, I just want you to text me in the WhatsApp about your college profile and your requirements. Mayiladurai. Okay, fine. Your assistant professor. Yeah. Thank you. See, I see a lot of assistant professors and a lot of professors and a lot of scholars are in this particular group. I was expecting more number of students. It's like vice versa. I was thinking, I don't know how this particular content have reached these number of lecturers and professors rather than reaching students and engineering students and arts and science students and persons like that. I'm wondering that I see a lot of faces and a lot of high profile persons, a lot of doctorates, a lot of principals, a lot of doctorates are here. And morning we had a discussion with Renuka Devi ma'am, I think so. She's from WCC as well. She's also a professor over there. I see a lot of peoples and experts. I see very few students. It's really not a good sign for student community to reach things up. Okay. Mention vision. Yeah, thank you, Dr. G. Aruna, for the vision and mission of us. Yeah, this is Jiva from Assistant Professor. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Jiva. Thank you. Yeah, sir, exactly. That's what I meant to say. See, we are planning for a session, in a bigger reach for a lot of colleges. I hope I just got a lot of contacts and, this particular network is really great.
Anand sir, your audio is slow.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Dr. Thiru, yeah, fine. Thank you. And central learning about, okay, student-centric learning. Okay, fine. Okay, I think only few students are online. The rest of peoples are assistant professors, scholars, doctorates, principals, and registers. It's really great. Mr. Sriramlu, I just want all these contents to be marked, and I want a session regarding all these topics.
Oh,
kindly
okay.
have a check, Mr. Sriram. Yeah, thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, guys. For the last, we'll just go for last 5 minutes. So, if you just want anything to share, you can share in this particular chat box or in WhatsApp. I'll see and I'll just check. Dr. Thiru, I just have a quick question to you. Dr. Thiru, are you online?
Yeah, online.
Yes, sir. I just want to ask quick questions to you. See, we are getting a lot of people's request, in this particular group or in this webinar from professors and lecturers end. You know what I mean? Like there are a lot of professors, a lot of doctors, a lot of research scholars, a lot of school owners, college principals. How could this particular thing has happened? I was expecting more number of students, but still, it's really great that we got a lot of high profile peoples and a lot of research scholars, in our group for session. It's really great. I really appreciate that. And I was expecting more number of students, so that, for example, if a speaker is, if a speaker or if a person from a company, he's having a lot of expectations from their end, right? So I just want these things to be considered for the schedule of our next next coming session.
We have planned a new session for students.
Sure, sir, sure. That will be a really great thing. And we don't want all audiences to be, get clubbed. We go by 10 or 15 numbers in a group, or maximum we can go 50 by 50. That will be great. I'll just say a few names. I want them to be in a separate group. That will be great, because like-minded peoples and registrars and college owners and principals, deans and doctors are meant to be in a separate group, so that those people share a lot of intellectual contents. I have connections with a lot of school owners and school principals and college principals and registrars from outside India and India as well. They used to share, a lot of intellectual contents and intellectual thoughts, and they'll do a lot of exchanges, in that particular. So I just want to be channelized in a separate group. So we plan accordingly. We'll maintain a proper procedure for maintaining all the high-profile persons, in a separate group as well. I hope you got my point.
Okay, I got it.
And I just want to make a note of few persons who are in a chat box. I consider them as an effective person attending a technology about. Yeah, Mr. Srinu. Yeah, I got it. Agalya Perumal, personally. Yeah, sure, needed for the hour. For all. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll try to plug in more personality development experts to have some interactions with you people. Sure. And Dr. Thiru?
Sir?
Tomorrow's session, I'll plan an expert, an industry expert. He's having 35 years of experience, in a sector specific. He's a media person actually. His name is Srini. And I'll ask him to go for a session for you peoples like tomorrow. What would be your flexible timings? I just want your timings, in the chat box, so that, Ms. Dr. Sangeeta Kumari, Assistant Professor, Department of Education, Patna, Bihar. Yeah, ma'am. It's been a pleasure that you are reaching us. Thank you. Afternoon, like we are planning, that is for students. Yeah, it's only for students we are planning. Yeah, of course, we are hosting that particular session. What is the time? Yeah, sure. I'll just let you know. D.Y. Shiva Bharati. Yeah, is this audible now? Yeah, okay. Thank you. I'll just check up and let you know, guys. And Dr. Thiru?
Yes, tell me.
Provide certificates. Yeah. Of course, we'll provide certificates. In which stream or in which area you peoples are into. If for example, if you are into a technical seminars and technical webinars online, and you will be given certifications on that particular area and that particular topic, of course, you'll be provided. Please set an AN session. Like, okay, fine. Okay, I'll do one thing. Yeah, I'll just try to work on that particular afternoon and forenoon session. Okay, just want to know the details about the new educational policies. Sure. Dr. Mrs. S. Vairamani, the topic which you are texting is really important, very important topic, for this generation. Really, for this educational policies. Yeah, sure. I'll just check with experts regarding that particular topics. How many sessions of a day? Yeah, guys. I'll just tell you that since we are working with various country time zones, we'll be working with 25 plus countries. Those experts will be online, in their flexible timings. I hope you got my point. So we'll be working throughout the day, 24/7. So whenever you find time, you can connect for that particular webinar or for that particular Zoom seminars as well. For example, I have a CEO from Middle East. His name is Mr. Mohammed, Dr. Mohammed, and he is a CEO of Apex Dubai. And he used to come online, after 7:30 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. So he'll be online till 11 p.m. So for that kind of expert, sharing or expert conferences, we'll be arranging, in that particular time. I hope you all people have understood. Better say, yeah, sure. But I'll try to arrange. See, I'll just send, in the group. For example, I'll tell you one thing. For example, if the session is about startups and business policies, we'll bring in, overseas experts and overseas owners and overseas startup persons. They work on Pacific time zone and they work on Middle East time zones. We are in, ISD, Indian Standard Timings, and in our time, we are in this particular time zone. So I'll just try to arrange common timings, but still we have seminars round the clock. For your understanding, I just want all you people to be active in our WhatsApp group. I'll just send all the links. We have separate panel discussions. I know in that particular panel discussions, we'll invite only professors and only doctors, and that'll be great, because we just got a proposal from overseas that they are planning an online industry here in India. They are kind of investors, and they are kind of top-rated CEOs from Middle East. So they are having those type of ideas in their mind. So we can have a panel discussion with them. Being an industry expert, I'm talking about you people. Being an industry expert from various streamlines, HODs, professors from various colleges, you people can participate in that particular webinar. With that CEOs or with that managing directors. That will be great for you people and great for them as well. I just got a lot of startup ideas. If you people have startup ideas regarding this educational policies or regarding this educational sectors, you can pitch in our online event. That will be great. That is really great for us. So these are all the areas we can work. Kindly just check our brochures, and what are all the areas we are working. Definitely we are covering each and every area. We cover hospitality management, we cover business associations, we cover education industries. We are planning to reach, inspire millions. That is our vision and mission. So that's why we are doing lot of stuffs, out of no cost. See, you can find a lot of webinars and seminars, that will be a paid up session for each and every thing. So we are not in that particular motive. We are planning to reach millions and we are planning to inspire millions. So that is the main thing. Of course, we have charges. Yeah, of course. For example, if we connect with 1,000+ associations, we need to pay $14 per session and per day. I think so, like 24 hours of session for an uninterrupted video exchange, like we have now. So these are the charges. So still we are working for. We are planning to do some fundraising events. I hope that will be effective for you peoples as well. Definitely. I have just I just checked all your messages and your requirements. Definitely, I'll just work on it. Give me some time. I'll just reply your private messages, in WhatsApp. I'll just work on each and every topics, and I'll just arrange faculties. And for a kind note, this particular group is active for 24/7. Now I'm just going to lift, the group chat content for a hour a day. I just want you people to come in and drop a valuable messages for a valuable contact exchange or a variable data for each and every one of us. I'll just do it after this session, I think so, or else you can drop me a private message. And is there anything else to discuss? So from next session will be it's of 1 hour session. The topic, the timings, and the audience will be specific, and it will be a first come first serve, because each and every group has 257 fullest members. Only 52, 53, 54 is of pending, and we have previous 50 batches as well. So each and every group is full. So I just want you to be active in your WhatsApp group to get connected for the the upcoming session. The upcoming sessions will be of with many industry experts, speakers, motivational speakers, trainers, TEDx speakers, CEOs, managing directors, startup owners. We can exchange. That will be an interactive session, and we are planning for 10+ members in a group. For example, we'll not go for 100. Certain topics will be discussed with certain closed audiences. For example, online educational industry and digital media. This particular topic is for 25 members. We'll work with only 25 members who are all effective. For example, effective audios and effective videos from your end and from our end. That will be great for us to exchange. I see a lot of effective video exchange from few people. I see good internet connections with Dr. Bala Murugan, Sangeeta ma'am, Chitra ma'am, and I see a lot of effective, video without any interruption. I hope people are using broadband. I think so. So that's why it's clear and uninterrupted. We'll plan accordingly. I just want all your feedbacks, contents, and text, in my WhatsApp, in this particular group. We can work on it. Okay. And we call it a day. What is remaining people's? I don't know. People are texting random messages here. Thank you, man. It's hard for people to stay in a discussion like this. Really, I'm really appreciating you all peoples. We got full strength of 100 plus, and you peoples are really staying in and observing a lot of contents and exchanging your ideas. That is for the community as well as for the self growth. Now, we are planning a lot of topics. Yeah, of course. You want the details of what? Yeah, sure. Topics. The topics, the detailed sessions, the descriptions. The contents of the topic will be shared to you, to your group. So stay online. You better. There will be a little bit of misunderstanding. Inside the group. I think so. Today morning I have seen few people are throwing up a lot of random messages. It's hard for us to digest. Please maintain the decorum. Yeah, thank you all, and I'll just plan accordingly for you peoples. This is really a long term and a better visionary project. I just want you peoples to add up. And yes, ma'am, as Renuka Devi ma'am said, there is a little bit of correction in a video. I'll ask that particular chief guest to record again and resend it. And sure. I'll just, this is not the this is not the session. Actually, this is a discussion. We thought of going as a session. We need a lot of effective participants. So that's why I just did this particular entire one and a half hour thing, as an informative purpose. I just shared you some certain topics and data for you. So that's it. You told that one. Yeah. For the remaining people, yes, everybody will be get connected. Not a big deal. We'll be sending you the videos, and I want each and everyone to be a part. We are not here to ignore, or we are not here to neglect anyone. No, it's full. It's our our vision is to reach the rich, the medium, and the poor as well. It's for everyone, not for the one who's having proper bandwidth, not for the one who's having who's interested to pay. Not like that. No, everybody will be getting all the contents and details. It's for the community as well. Yeah, that's great. Thank you so much. Thank you for your reply. Thank you all, guys. Dr. Thiru.
Yes.
I just want you to schedule a meeting, like start from tomorrow, guys. It's not. It's a 3-day program, but still it's go for a. It's a yearly process. Like we have a lot of programs in each and every day. It will go like, for example, we have a panel discussion tonight at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. If you people are interested, we'll be discussing with officials from London and from Canada and from US. That particular session is about digital entrepreneurship. And if anyone having idea about starting a company, or if anyone is having idea, need of funding or need of financial supports, we are here to assist you. If your projects and if your idea is too good, we'll assist you with our expert panels. We have experts from that there, and probably we'll be giving some. I will be giving some feeds, regarding that particular topics as well. We have. If you are interested, guys, drop a message. I'll just share all the contents. Then, if you are just getting interested in that particular topic, I'll be just adding you guys. There'll be panel discussions. There'll be group discussions, do's and don'ts, in online thing as well. So I just want everyone to be a part of this particular visionary project. It's for all, not for some certain set of audiences. I'm really happy that this particular discussion is effective, because I'm just reached a lot of scholars and professors and various principals as well. Thank you. It's been an honor. Dr. Thiru sir.
Yes. Tell me, sir.
Sir, I just want you to, schedule a meeting tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. Indian Standard Timings.
Okay.
The topic will be sent to you, tonight around 9 to 9:30. Since all our clients are from outside India, I need to talk with them. This is not the right time for me to talk with them. So I'll just discuss with them after 9. I'll just text you like in between 9 to 10 p.m. tonight. So you just fix that particular topic, and schedule a meeting tomorrow in Zoom. That will be a 1 hour session. So we'll restrict time. It will be of 1 hour, and I'll just inform you the further details and updates back to back.
Okay. Thank you.
After this particular session, I just want you to come on call, with conference with Mr. Sriramlu for some discussions about doing a lot of better results for our seminars and webinars online. I hope you all peoples, had a great time, and definitely we'll be working up with great projects with a lot of officials, with Mr. Chitra, Mrs. Chitra ma'am, and Mr. Sangeeta, Mr. Balamurugan, and Mrs. Ramya Koteri, and a lot of people. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. Nice talking to you guys. If you want anything to share on voice, you can do it. Dr. Thiru, I just want you to lift everybody's. Guys, listen. I'm planning to lift.
The audio is not clear.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, so I hope you people are listening. I'm planning to lift all your audio and video so that you can enable and disable from your side. So you just please enable from your side. When I say the name of a concerned person, you can just talk to me. Now we can try, or else we can unmute everyone. And Dr. Thiru, you got my point, right?
Got it.
Fine, ஒண்ணும் இல்ல சார். இப்போ நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னா எல்லாருக்குமே அந்த அக்சஸ் கொடுங்க. அவங்களே மியூட் பண்ற மாதிரி, அவங்களே அன்மியூட் பண்ற மாதிரி. கொடுத்துட்டேன். If we find lot of disturbances, then you unmute. Okay. I'll just say the name of concerned persons. You guys personally can unmute from your end and have some discussions with me. That will be great. We're running out of time. Hardly 10 minutes. We're running out of time. 5 minutes. On a quick note, I just want, please wait. I'll just check with the participants. Yeah. Agalya ma'am, are you online? I think.
I'm very much online.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
No, thank you. I just want you to add some topics, like from your side. What are the topics to be discussed, in Zoom, or you want any effective thing?
Me being a personality development trainer for quite a long 15 years, okay, and I just want you to say just add a conflict management type, which is very much in need of the hour for the people, because sitting inside the home, they need to know how to resolve the conflicts. Because yesterday he was talking about reaction and responding. We need responding nowadays, so it is better you bring people regarding how to get into a beautiful conflict scenario so that we can resolve and we can go for a win-win situation. You bring such kind of a people inside and make this kind of a program into a very fruitful one for all the listeners from your side.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. I'll just make a note, on a special note, I'll just forward it. And I just want you to have, some details, in my WhatsApp. So I have a lot of young students, looking forward.
Yeah, I'm doing. Actually, I have completed 5 online programs in this COVID-19 period to the ladies. Particularly, I take care of ladies, particularly in the company. When they want
I'll do one thing, ma'am.
they invite me.
I have a lot of, sorry for the interruption. Actually, I have a lot of young women entrepreneurs from my side. I just want you to take some sessions from them, for them actually.
Fine.
So we can do a lot of interactions.
I'll send you my profile to you. Okay, I'll send you my profile to you, and you please do on these kind of things for the people. Okay, because it is
Sure, ma'am.
personal
Sure.
development, we thought everybody can get in, but you are concentrating particularly for the students in this schedule of time. It's better you have it separate sessions for faculty members, so the faculty members who are now new to this profession may get enriched and enhanced through this kind of a training. Okay, I am
Yes,
into
ma'am.
my
That's what I'm
25th
thinking.
year of
Because
service.
yes,
I'm
that's
into
what
my
I'm thinking.
25th year
Because
of
I see a
service.
lot of doctorates here in this group. You know, they have their own set of experience and exposure to this particular industry.
Yes.
You know, this particular topic is only for students. For example, if we are
Yeah.
working, you know, if we are discussing some little bit of topics only for, you know, sector specific audience. For example, we have experts like 35 to 40 years of experienced you know, scholars in personality development. You know, that will be an enriching session for you people. Since you got 15 plus years of experience in this particular industry, you know, that will be the right match. You know, for example, you know, that will be the right match for you know, like-minded and light thought process peoples. So that accordingly, man. That is the that's what I'm just fixing in my mind to work on the next further coming sessions. I just want you to drop a message, ma'am. Thank you, and it's been a pleasure, ma'am. Pleasure. And I hope I think you are online. What happened to your voice? Dr. Thiru sir, I think you just unmuted everyone's profile. I think so. Kindly lift ma'am's profile. She was supposed to say her end note.
Yeah. Now it is clear.
Yeah, it's audible. Yes.
Now it is clear.
Yeah, it's audible. It's
Hello?
audible. Yes.
Yeah, fine. I'll send you the thing to your individual. Yeah, I'll send you the thing to your individual WhatsApp. Okay, and we can go ahead with it. Okay. If you ever need
ma'am.
my
It's been a
help, I
pleasure,
can
ma'am.
go for it. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And
Thank you.
and I just want Mr. Mrs. Aishwarya Divya Rajan. Is she online? Okay, I think there's a little bit of connective errors for many. I think they got backed up. Okay, thank you, Dr. Thiru sir and Mr. Sriramulu.
Tell me, sir.
Yeah, we'll plan to, you know, go for the next session by tomorrow. By tonight 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'll be just getting the guest details and the contents and topics for tomorrow's discussion. That will be a 1 hour. We can plan it like accordingly, like after 10 a.m. in the morning, because I used to work through night. Since it is hard for me to you know, work on these particular timings, because I'm working on with different country time zones.
Audio is clear, Anand sir.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just working with different country time zone, and I used to be online till 5 a.m. in the morning. It's hard for me to work on this particular scenario. So I'll just check. I'll get some rest right now, and I'll just check with the topic and the content. You just fix the tomorrow session itself only of 1 hour, and we'll discuss about the WhatsApp group categorization, and we'll channelize the group. We'll do it in a separate forum. And I just want you to schedule by tomorrow morning 11 a.m. The topic and other contents and details will be shared to you, you know, after 9 p.m. tonight. Okay. I just want Sriramulu to you know, share your ideas and opinions to get, because since you are a technical team, you know, running behind 247, working for all our association, I just want you to, you know, say a conclusive note for this particular session right now. Sri, are you online, Sri?
Yes, I am in online.
Yeah, Sri, is this possible for you? What are all the things which we have discussed?
Title, everything, and we deployed in a group.
Okay, fine. But that should be of 100 numbers. So that's why I'm planning. Since first WhatsApp group is of 257, a lot of people's, like remaining peoples, will get disappointed. So that's what I'm thinking. How to categorize these people. Shall we go for 100 by 100 in each and every WhatsApp group, and we restrict and we work on for the next WhatsApp group? That is okay. Why to rush with all 257 participants in a single group and to worry? Because we have some space in that particular WhatsApp group. We can add our experts and we can, in that will be easy, right?
Yes. Yeah, we will plan
Okay, fine.
according to that.
Okay, fine. Thank you all for your patience, and we'll be scheduling things and sessions tomorrow as per your request. That'll be an effective one. Happy Saturday. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home. God bless all. Thank you.
Thanks.